Do you dream of building a business that makes a lasting impact? It all starts with a vision, a clear and inspiring statement that lights the way forward for you and your team. So, how do you craft a vision statement that truly reflects your aspirations and inspires action? Let's find out. Begin by reflecting on your company's core values. These principles are the foundation of your vision and define what your business stands for. Project your business 5 to 10 years into the future. What impact do you aspire to make? How will your company evolve? Craft a statement that's concise yet inspiring. Aim for 1 to 2 sentences that capture your long-term goals and motivate your team. Ensure your vision aligns with your mission statement. While your mission defines your current purpose, your vision should depict your future aspirations. Use clear, straightforward language. Avoid industry jargon to ensure your vision is easily understood by all stakeholders. A well-written vision statement showcases the future goals of your business. Here are some examples of well-crafted vision statements by famous companies. Google, to provide access to the world's information in one click. This clearly articulated statement focuses on making information easily accessible and universally useful. Tesla, to create the most compelling car company of the 21st century by driving the world's transition to electric vehicles. This vision statement emphasizes leadership in the industry through sustainable energy solutions. Apple, to make the best products on Earth and to leave the world better than we found it. It combines a commitment to quality with environmental responsibility. LinkedIn, to create economic opportunity for every member of the global workforce. This vision statement aims to provide career opportunities and professional growth for everyone. IKEA, to create a better everyday life for the many people. This vision focuses on improving everyday living by offering affordable and well-designed home furnishings. Now that you know how to craft a vision statement, remember to include the key elements: clarity, inspiration, and alignment with your goals. Visit upmetrics.co and start crafting your own vision statement today. Let your vision pave the way for your success. Thank you for watching.